Hello and welcome. Today I'm delighted to bring to the market this entire floor available for sale in the strategically placed tower of Empire Heights on the tip of Business Bay and downtown. The full floor consists of 6 individual units which can be modified into one single office or kept as independent. The office space consists of private pantry and private washrooms. Each unit is fully fitted to a high standard and has fantastic parking available. It's a great opportunity to acquire a full floor in a very sought after location. Viewing of this is a must. If you'd like to find out more details on this full floor or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details provided. Thank you.